Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the costs associated with horse care. Owning a horse is a truly rewarding experience, but it comes with a substantial financial commitment that extends far beyond the initial purchase price. The exact expenses can vary greatly depending on where you live, your horse's individual needs, and the level of care you choose to provide. It is absolutely essential to create a comprehensive budget that accounts for both predictable routine costs and potential unexpected emergencies. Let's dive into the key monthly expenses you can expect. Boarding fees are frequently the most significant cost, ranging from as little as $100 for self-care pasture board to over $2,000 for full-service facilities. Next, feed and hay typically cost between $200 and $400 each month, depending on your horse's diet and activity level. Regular farrier visits for hoof trimming or shoeing are also essential, usually occurring every 6 to 8 weeks. Beyond monthly outlays, you'll encounter annual and variable costs. Routine veterinary care, covering vaccinations, deworming, and dental exams, typically ranges from $200 to $1,000 per year. However, horses can be prone to accidents or sudden illnesses, meaning emergency vet visits could easily add thousands of dollars to your annual expenses. Don't forget about supplements, training, and specialized equipment, which are also important variable costs to consider. So, what's the total annual investment? The overall cost to care for a horse can vary dramatically, from around $2,100 for basic pasture care to more than $36,000 for competitive horses. This broad spectrum highlights the importance of understanding your specific needs and goals. Responsible horse ownership requires thorough research, careful planning, and a realistic budget to ensure your equine companion receives the best possible care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.